Hello, my name is Lim from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I'm an aesthetic physician running some private practice in Kuala Lumpur. The most common procedures performing in Clique Clinic including non-invasive treatments like injectables, lasers, energy-based devices, threads, and also body treatment. I think a lot of patients hesitate when there's a lot of pain, they are afraid of side effects and also downtime because I think they do not want to go out and have that particular downtime where they cannot go to work and then having that social embarrassment. We tried using Dermalogical's Pro Restore since a few weeks back to try to meet our patients' expectations. Well, the benefit of Dermalogical Pro Restore is that it helps repair the skin barrier, it actually speeds up recovery, and also reduce the downtime for patients who actually undergo certain treatments that generally give them a longer period of downtime. Yeah, we tried the Pro Restore on patients who undergo picosecond laser. Having Dermalogical Pro Restore, patient can actually have a faster recovery. They get back to their work and back to their daily life much faster, and also with great confidence. And on top of that, I think it helps them to prevent any kind of complications that might happen through all these treatments that we do for them. At Clique Clinic, we want our patients to walk out the door with confidence and they feel great about themselves and they actually does feel happy after the treatment.